Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to CA Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 6 lesson 4 Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Contents of this video: first, PowerPoint; second, inserting a table; third, entering data in a table; fourth, to change table shading; fifth, to apply border; or sixth, alignment; seventh, chart; eighth, formatting charts; and ninth, homework. So let's start this video. PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a powerful tool which helps us to communicate our views and ideas effectively using diagrams, photos, clip arts, sound, colors, designs, and animation. So, means powerful tools. PowerPoint is a powerful tools which help us to communicate our views and ideas. Means through the PowerPoint, you represent your ideas, views through photos, clip art, diagram, and motivate the audience. Next one, inserting a table. How to insert a table in PowerPoint? There are some follow steps. Step first, click the new slide drop down arrow on the home tab. Select the title and content layout. Second step, click the insert table command and present on the slide. You click here the insert table. Insert table dialog box will be appear. You click here and define the number of columns and row. Here a number of column and below number of row. You enter according to your requirement number of row and column. Then click OK button. Fifth step, a table will be displayed according to the defined row and column. This is all these the steps related to inserting a table in a PowerPoint. Entering data in a table. Inserting table in a slide. Follow the steps given below to enter column heading or row entries. Step first, place the mouse pointer in the first cell of the table and type heading. Means place the mouse pointer in the first cell of the table and type heading. Step second, press tab key to take the insert point to the next cell. Means through the tab key you can move next cell of the table. And third step, type heading for the next cell. Such type of process you follow, then you enter data in your table. To change table shading. To change table shading, follow these steps. Step first, select the table. Step 2, select design tab. Step 3, select row or column that you want to modify. Step 4, click the shading option in the table style group and select any color of your choice. Step 5, select any other option by clicking the drop down arrow of shading command. Means first one you select the table and then step select the design tab. And third, select the row and column that you want to modify. Means you provide the shading. Step 4, click shading option in the table style group and select any color of your choice. And step 5, select any option by clicking the drop down arrow of shading command. Then your table change according to your requirement. How to apply border? Means you want to apply border in your table, then you follow these steps. Step first, on the design tab is used to add border to a table. Step 2, select the row or column you want to modify. Step 3, click the borders tool in the table style group. And step 4, select all borders option. Step 5, border will be applied on the selected row and column. Just like MS Excel, you select table and after that you apply all border that show your table in a row and column wise. So you can also same things you apply in a MS Word and PowerPoint also. So you can follow these steps to apply border in a table. Align text. Alignment refers to the position of the text in a table. alignment is applied on the text. But alignment is referred to position of the text in a table. You can apply alignment left, right, center. So there are four types of alignment. First, left alignment. Second, right alignment. Third, center alignment. And fourth, justify alignment. It means alignment means the position of the text in your document. And there are four types: left, right, center, and justify alignment. Next is the chart. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Charts make it easier to flow comparison and relationship among the values and trend in data. Charts provide an accurate analysis of the information. Means chart is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. Through the chart, you can easy way to analyze comparison and relationship among the values and find the accurate information through the chart. Components of chart means what type of component using chart. The first one is chart area. The chart area includes the complete area and all the objects in a chart. Chart area means where you would design a chart, display a chart. This such area is called the chart area. Second one is the category axis. Category axis or x-axis is the horizontal matter that is compared and presented in the chart. Category axis means your horizontal. X-axis is called the category axis, and you can say that other word horizontal line. Our chart is called category axis. Third, value axis. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical which is used to plot the values. Value axis means y-axis. Yeah, you can say that a vertical line of a chart is called value axis where you put the value. Fourth, data series. All components are shown here in this figure. All components show. Fourth one is the data series. Data series are the bar, slice, yeah, other elements that show the data values. Question number 5, category name. The category names are the labels displayed on the x and y axis. Means when you write the name of x axis and y axis, then this is called the category name. 6.1 plot area. The plot area is the window within the chart area. It contains the accurate chart itself and includes plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Plot area means where this one is the plot area where you insert series, category, value axis, x-axis. This is called the plot area. Legend. It depicts the colors, pattern or the symbols which are assigned to the data series. Means legend means here you provide the data series. Means 0 to 20, 22 to 40. This one you use a different pattern, color. So this is called the legends. Next one, the creating chart. How to create chart? Follow this step. Step first, click insert tab and select the chart option. You see here insert tabs, and after that you click chart option. Here chart option. Second step, click the chart type and then double click the chart you want. You click the chart type and type, then double click you want. When you click the chart option, then there are so many chart shown on your screen. Third step, in the worksheet that appear, replace the placeholder data with your own information. Means when you follow second step, here there are so many chart options: columns, lines, pie chart, bar chart, area chart. There are so many options. Then after that we follow third step. In the worksheet that appear, replace the placeholder data with your own information. And when you click the chart And when you are create a table to show in the form of chart, automatic information show according to your chart, just like this. In step 4, when you finish, close the worksheet, and after that you close finish the steps, then your chart show on your PowerPoint. Changing the chart type. Sometimes need change types of chart, so you can follow these steps. Step first, select the chart you want to change. The design tab will appear on the right side of the ribbon. When you want to change the chart type, then you click the chart option, then design tab appear the ribbon. Step 2, from the design tab, click the change chart types command. Here design option means design, when you click the chart, then design option appear on the ribbon, and after that you select the chart types. Here second figure, chart types. And step 3, a dialog box will appear. Select the desired chart types, then click OK. Means when you click the chart types, there are so many options appear here. You select according to your requirement and click OK. Step 4, then new chart will be appear. When you click any option, then new chart appear and you use it. Formatting a chart. Formatting means improve the appearance of chart. Sometimes need a improvement of the chart, so you can use formatting of a chart. We can format the chart to add title, change the text, font, line, width, border styles, legends, and data size, etc. Means sometimes need a formatting. Means some improvement need a chart, so we can add title, change text, font, border line, etc. When we insert a chart, 3 new tabs will appear on the ribbon. 3 tabs: design tabs, layout tabs, and format content tabs. Various chart tools and commands that allow you to modify or format the chart. So through this you can change the chart, you can formatting the chart, improve your chart. Modifying the chart layout is all these things contain to the changing or formatting of chart. Modifying the chart layout means the chart layout determines how specific chart information will appear. Means how specific chart information will appear. To change the chart layout, follow this step. Step first, select the chart and click the design tab. Second step, scroll through the option in the chart layout group. Click the more drop down arrow to see all the layout option. Step third, select any chart layout according to the need. Means sometimes need change the layout of the chart. So means layout means determine how specific chart information will appear. When you are follow this step, you can easy way to modify the chart layout. Next one, the hanging background colors and pattern. We can modify a chart by changing its color, pattern, and background. Sometimes need change color, pattern, and background. So you can follow these steps. First one, right click on the plot area of the chart and select format plot area from the content menu. When you click the chart plot area, then format plot area show on your screen. Step 2, format plot area dialog box will appear just like this. Which means the format plot area. Step 3, select the border styles, border color. Here are these given things: border style, border color, and shadow effect. According to your choice you can select. And after that, step 4, click the fill tab, then click on picture or textures fill options. When you apply this, your chart background, color, and pattern changed. Here fifth option, Click the texture button and choose the required texture from the display choice. And 6, click the close button and observe the means here follow 4 steps, and after that here the close button. When you apply all these things, then you last steps, click the close button and observe the charts. And after that homework question number first, how will you insert table in a presentation? Explain any two way. Question number 2, how will you add row in a table? Question number 3, how can you apply border to a table and change its color? Question number 4, how can you apply a new table style to a table? Question number 5, how will you align the text to the bottom of a cell? Question number 6, how will you delete the default data of our data sheets? Question number 7, how will you change the chart type? Question number 8, explain how a chart layout can be modified. Question number 9, what is chart? Name the component of chart. Hopefully all contents included in this video you can understand. If you face any problem, call me by number 8840156170, and your homework, write question answer in your copy and learn them. Thank you.